Good morning students, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will start new chapter, that is the chapter number 3, our government, which is taken from the book uh, named Connect with the World, a book of social science of standard 6. So let's get started this chapter. Well, our government. First of all, I am going to read the paragraph that is given in the box. A prominently flashed headline in the newspaper caught Mansi's attention as she was getting ready for school. It had been raining continuously for the past few days, and Mansi had heard that floods have devastated lives of many people in different parts of the country. The government seeks military help to rescue people in the flood hit area, the headline said. As Mansi scanned through the newspaper, she could see the term government mentioned in various contexts. Government to ban the import of toxic toys, government to sanction 2 crore for establishment of a football coaching academy, government to repair all the damaged roads in the city before the next rainy season, government to provide scholarship to students passing the international geography contest, etc. So, in the various contexts, she had found that the word government had to do many things. So, this chapter it tells us about what is government. So, in this chapter, we will learn more about the meaning and the function of the government as well as about different types of government. Well, first of all, we will come to know what is a government. Government is a political authority comprising one individual or group of people who have the power to make and enforce laws for a country or area. So, government it is a autonomous body or supreme body comprising that had one individual or a group of people who have the power to run the country in an organized way or systematic way. The government who make and enforce laws for a country or a particular state in the country. A government is necessary for the smooth functioning of any country or community. As we can see in the world, there are many countries, and each country it had government, different types of government. Whether some country had democratic government, some country had monarchy government, some countries had dictatorship government. So all these governments they have different types, and it is very necessary to have a government in the country to run the country in a systematic way. It makes laws, implements them, and also ensure that the laws are followed so that the society may function in a disciplined manner. So, the government who have the power to make law and implement them, and also ensure that the people must follow the law, must obey the law, so that the society may function in a disciplined manner. Now, second paragraph, we will come to know how this word it is formed. The word government comes from the Greek word kubernismos, which means to pilot a ship. Like usually the people when we drive a car or vehicle, so we when we ride the vehicles are under control by us. So that means we the people when we drive the car, that means uh, we are the supreme and we control the car. So like people who control the car, when he drive the car he controls it. Like he government it also controls the country and runs in a systematic way. So if a ship represents a state, the government tries to guide its people toward better life while avoiding problems such as war, crime, and economic trouble. If there is no government, then it will create chaos, and people they will not listen to each other, and it will create problems such as war, crime, and economic trouble. Now, function of the government. Now, what is the function of the government? Means how this government does the work. Okay, the main function of the government are to make laws and ensure that the people living in a country follow them, to improve the infrastructure of the country and raise the standard of living of the people by providing facilities such as road, electricity, clean drinking water, and health care, to prevent crime and maintain law and order, to protect the country from foreign invasion, to build bridge, dam, canals, and highway, to provide transport facility in the form of buses, railways, and airways, to ensure economic development of the country, to build school, colleges, and other educational institutions. So how this government function in the country? The first thing that government he it makes law and makes sure that the people living in the country must follow them. Another work that is government always try to improve the infrastructure of the country and raise the standard of the living of the people by providing such facilities such as roads. Government provides roads, electricity, water, health care, and many other things, that so that we will live our life, we that raise the standard of living of the people. Third point, to prevent crime and maintain law and order. Government play crucial role, important role to maintain law and order, and also try to stop crime in the city or in a particular state. Government, third, fourth point, also protects the country from foreign invasion. That's why in country border, in countryside or border, we have government deployed army so that the invasion or the other people belong to other country, they will not try to infiltrate the our country. That's why the government deployed the army in the on the border. Next point, to build bridge, dams, canal, and highway. Okay, government takes responsibility and build all the bridge, dam, canal, and highway so that it it is very convenient for us to move one place to another place, and also dams it stop uh, from the flooding of the particular area. To provide transport facility in the form of buses, railways, and airways. Government also provide facilities such as railways, buses, airways. These are the government property, and government provide that this thing so that we the people we 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 can easily move from one place to another place. Now, the next point, to ensure economic development of the country. Government is playing an important role to promote and uh, improve the economic development of the country. Also, government built school, colleges, and other institutions so that we could be able to study well in our country. So that is the chapter that we have understand that what is government and how does it function. Next video we will discuss sources of income, law, levels of government, law, and the government, why laws are important. Thank you.